Hi guys, Steph here. Right, today we've got for you a lovely handsome pen. Okay, now for you regular viewers out there that watch on a regular basis, you would have seen the pen in my last pen haul here. There we go. A lovely example, but not just one, but two. Hey! And here they are after a little bit of TLC. Lovely, gorgeous pens. What we've got for you is two Conway Stewart 55s. Okay, there's the, is it the burgundy? Actually, although it's burgundy, in my opinion, or maybe mauve, the Conway Stewart 55s came in numerous different colours. They came in, I think, about 2 or 3 models without the cap bands, but they also brought them out in black, green and black marble, in blue and black marble, and this one, I believe, Conway Stewart called it plum and black marbling. But to me, it looks to be sort of burgundy or a mauve colour. Now, both of the pens are exactly the same. Both the pens have been sold subject to full restoration. They're both ready to go. This one's going across the pond, and this one is going to a customer here in the UK. Now, they're both exactly the same pens, so let's concentrate on this gorgeous blue one here. As I said, both Conway Stewart 55s, and the 55 were actually a prestigious pen within the Conway Stewart range of the period. And when I say period, I'm talking around about the 1940s. It's a lovely size pen, slightly bigger than most of the pens, and this particular shape with this, if you like, sort of the flat end here, as you can see in black, was the last sort of shape, if you like, of this particular pen. Because after this, you know, the likes of the 28s, 58s and the 60s then became more of a sort of streamlined torpedo shape. So this was the last of this particular shape, again, of that period. The size of the pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 12 millimeters in diameter. The barrel imprint says the Conway Stewart, and then just underneath we've got number 55. Okay, and then just somewhere around here, I'll turn it round slightly, hopefully you can see, it says made in England. Okay, now again, these were the prestigious pens within the range, sort of the top of the range if you like, and that's indicated by the cap bands. You can see it's got a medium cap band to the centre, and then two sort of slightly narrow bands to each side of it. So it's got the 3 cap bands, it's got the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip, as you can see there, and to the very top we've got this peak finial or stud, and you'll notice in the before these were slightly discoloured, as they normally, you know, that's how they normally come, so we have to sort of polish them sort of nice and black, as you can see there. And as I've just shown you, it sort of matches the end of the barrel here with this black flat end. Obviously, you've noticed it's a lever fill fountain pen. It's got the Conway Stewart lever, as you can see there, and all in all, an absolutely stunning pen. Okay, there's, take the cap off, let's show you the pen in numerous different angles, as you can see there. You can see it's been fully restored. As I said, both of these pens were reserved subject to restoration. Both of them are now finished and both of them are ready to be shipped out. As I said, this one here in the UK, the other one, the gentleman has ordered another pen which I'm working on, so that one will be going across the pond. You can see it's got quite a short section there, slightly, it's got this ridge towards the end of the nib there, and then in fact what we'll do, let's show you a little bit of a close-up of the nib. Okay, so there's a slight close-up. Both of these also come with the renowned Duro nib. You can see it says Duro Conway Stewart 14 karat gold. So these Duro nibs were again the top of the range nibs for the Conway pens of the period. Lovely large nib, as you can see there. This one, we've got a lovely fine nib on it. There's a sideways view for you. And then we've got the feed underneath, which, as with all the pens, has been cleaned and again ready to go. Okay, so that's the nib for us. So there we have it. There's a close-up of the nib. Absolutely gorgeous. As I said, these pens are slightly larger than the sort of standard Conway Stewart pens of the period. They're a lovely chunky size, even with my large hands. Very nice and comfortable to hold and to write with. Well, to write with. What we'll do, let's do a dip test. I'm not going to fill the pen because both pens have had brand new sacks installed, so I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. He can put his own ink in the pen and away he goes and enjoy the pen. But what we'll do, let's just do a dip test. So dip the nib in the ink to my right here, and what we've got is a Conway Stewart number 55, made in England and made around about the 1940s. Let's just give it another little dip. This one, as you can see quite clearly, is writing with a fine line and is a lovely, nice writer. So there you have it. Writing very nicely indeed, writing with a fine line, which incidentally the customer actually asked me could I, if I had one, to fit a fine nib on it, which I've actually done. But writing, as you can see, very nicely indeed. So let's just give the nib a little bit of a wipe. We'll clean that after the video. And there we have it. An absolutely lovely example of the prestigious Conway Stewart 55 from 1940s. One of, if you like, one of the top of the range, I think, within Conway at the time, because it is a rather large pen, or larger than most of the standard Conway Stewarts of that period. Very nice indeed. And as we said a little bit earlier, not only the one, but two of the same pen, fully restored and ready to go to the new owners. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and these two handsome pens. Bye-bye for now.